Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Quick fried fish recipe. Add hearty turmeric powder. Add dry chili. Add Kashmiri lal mirch, Kashmiri red chili powder. Add Kali mirch black pepper powder. Add garam masala, blend of ground spices. Add salt to taste. Add lemon juice. Add oil. Rest the marinated fish for 1 hour. Add oil in fry pan. Fry your marinated fish on low to medium flame. Fry until golden color. Fry both sides until it's changed its color. A quick, easy and juicy fried fish is ready to serve and enjoy. Please leave us your comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Enjoy!